Hello, the real Amazon FBA seller here. What I'm going to be showing you today is how to take this estimated sales, 1,545 sales per month for this item. Now, this is the Seller Amp Chrome extension. Some people have BuyBot Pro, but I use Seller Amp, and there obviously are other products out there that do the same type of thing. So how do we take this estimated sales of 1,545 a month with this little warning next to it, little exclamation mark? Now, what does that say? Estimated sales are shared across all variations. And if we look in the alerts panel, this listing has 9 variations. So 9 products sell 1,545. So you could just divide that by 9 and give you an average sales for this product. Or we could use Keepa, which is at the bottom of this seller amp. We could use Keepa to actually delve deeper into it. And this is what I'm going to be showing you to get a better representation and a more accurate answer as to how many of the product is actually being sold. So remember, the product that we are looking at is this. According to Seller Amp, 1,545 sales per month, but it's spread across 9 variations. So let's go back to Keepa. And what we do is across here, you've got Amazon price history. You can track the product, but what we're looking for here is variations. If you're not using Keepa as part of your Amazon FBA business, you should be. And then we've got the 9 variations on the left-hand side. And now we find the one that corresponds with this. So we are looking for this product, which is this one here. This one here is what is selling. And then we can scroll across, and what you will see here is the percentage of sales, less than 1% of sales. So this one here, less than 1%, less than 1%, 4%, 21, 3, 7. And you can see, even with this little trophy here, that the majority of those 1,545 sales is being done by this Woody product from Toy Story, which sells 30% of those 1,545. So this in no way is saying whether the product's good, bad, whether you should or shouldn't buy it, but it is using Keepa to your advantage and seeing it's less than 1% of the sales. You can also look at the little individual graphs that come up for each individual product. So if we had less than 1%, as you can see here, if we took the figures of 1,545 and we divided that by 100, which would give you 1%, then suddenly we have 15 sales per month. So if you were looking at this, and actually the reason I'm doing this video is because this has been sent to me by a lead sourcing group, and the lead sourcing group placed this product at £11.45, £11.24. And in fact, I will just show you because I'm not going to be buying this product. So let me just find it. There we go. £14.99. Where's my picture gone? £14.99 for the product. 4 for 3 offer. And £14.99 times 3 divided by 4 is £11.24. So when you're sourcing a product, we look at all this information. Eligible? No, that's not a problem. We can always easily get rid of that. BSR is phenomenal. 561, 1%. And you look at the sales, which are going to do 1,545 a month. Now, you may think this sells 1,500 a month with £5 profit, 44% ROI. It's a phenomenal product. Naturally, you have to start looking at the offers, how many people are selling it. 8 already. It's now been given to a lead source, which means many lead sourcing companies will find it, and also many other people will find it because the product is for sale online, which means the product is going to drop in price, and that's if it even stays at that price. You can see here, more sellers, equals drop in price. That's very basic. I've covered that in other videos. But what we need to look at here is this, where it says estimated sales, 1,545 a month. Now we can use Chrome extensions like Helium 10. It will tell you the 30-day sales, but I don't pay for this version, hence why it's grayed out. We can also use Jungle Scout. It says here daily sales, 47, but I'm not 100% sure whether that means just that product or whether it means all of them. Now, if we do a quick calculation, 47 times, let's just say 30 days in a month. Zoom in, please. Stupid camera. Anyway, you can see that says 1,000 something. It says 1,410. That's what it says. Sorry about the poor video quality, which is very close, this 1,545. And I'm sure Helium 10 would say something similar. So the sales figures that they give you are based on the entire ASIN, of which Seller Amp will show you there are 9 variations. So something to be aware of when you are product sourcing, when you are analyzing the product. What is the percentage of sales? Less than 1%, so it's less than 15 sales a month. What that is, I don't know. What also rings alarm bells is the amount of ratings, only 3 ratings. So while this ASIN may appear in the top 1%, this product, actual product, is not going to appear there. Because as we can see here, it has very little reviews. So if it has little reviews, it's not going to appear in the top pages of Amazon to sell. That's just the way it works. If it's not in the top pages, it's not going to attract attention. It's not going to get sales. So this is how to use information available to you. You have this product here. If we just remove this. So this is what people see. This is what people see when they log on to Amazon to buy products. Ignore, obviously, Jungle Scout and ignore Helium 10. So it's just going to be this. This is what people would see and log on to see. Now, all the variations are down here. These are all the variations. But this is the product that's been offered on a lead sourcing company. And we would then naturally open up Seller Amp, plug in our figures. Now, if we were to look at that, we would think brilliant profit, brilliant ROI. The amount of offers rings a little bit of alarm bells. And now it's, as of today, I make this video, been offered as a lead. The amount of sellers is going to go up. Therefore, the price is going to drop. We can obviously look at the graphs that Keepa give you and look at this graph here all across the end part of 2022, $14.99. So is it likely that's going to drop back down to around about that price? Maybe. And you are losing money. Now, could you get the product in, sell it quickly? Well, that's what Keepa will tell you. And the answer to that is no, because there's less than 15 sales a month. There's not many reviews. It's not that popular. So it is a product to stay away from, which is why I don't mind making this video, because I'm not purchasing it to sell myself. So this is a video showing you a little bit about Seller Amp, but there are other videos that will explain this in better detail. But it's also not ignoring the Seller Amp graphs and not ignoring Keepa, but also how to use Keepa in the variations to see product information and statistics for you to make a better assessment in your business. Hope this information was of use to you. If it was, make sure to give me a like and subscribe so I can get more of this information to you to watch. Thank you for watching. This has been The Real Amazon FBA Seller.